Here is a breaking security news flash. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get involved. There's been a report of a possible Plex data breach. Users of the popular Plex media server may want to change their passwords as soon as they're able. The digital media player and streaming servers said a bad actor had infiltrated its system in a letter sent to users affected by the breach. In it, the company has revealed that it immediately started an investigation after it saw suspicious activity in one of its databases. Based on what it saw, Plex said it does appear that a third-party entity got access to a subset of data, which includes people's emails, usernames, and encrypted passwords. Even Troy Hunt of Have I Been Pawned was affected. As he noted in his tweet, there's nothing anyone can do to be exempt from service hacks, but using a password generator and two-factor authentication make their impact much less severe. To note, he encountered an error while trying to change passwords and found that not signing out existing devices made the switch go through. I received my notice from Plex this morning and promptly changed my password. If you have a Plex account, please do the same. I would also suggest that you activate two-factor authentication if you haven't already done so. Cybersecurity always starts with the user. Read more on this at Engadget at the link listed. Stay tuned for more security news flashes as they break.